First of all, a warm welcome to Top Money Talks. Uh, a top good evening to all top heroes here. I want to begin my session with story of uh, uncommon accomplishments of common people. Can I share? Let me share my screen. Before we have done with the first story, right? So let us go with the second story. The story of a common man, a paragon of my life. The main purpose of everyone's life is to find happiness where they go. Despite of facing many obstacles and under unbreakable situation, a man who has given hope and strength for many with his life journey and believed that happiness comes from giving, not by taking. He is none other than my father, hero of my life. Let me tell you a short story about my father, Mr. Jagan Mohan, who comes from a middle class family and became inspiration for many with his innovations that made him a leader for a change. He completed his schooling in Dattan High School. Due to his financial problems, he was not able to concentrate on higher studies. He took a break from his studies and worked as a photographer. He, wa- he was also a member of a medical department. Later, he got married to Mrs. Shobha Rani and he continued his studies and finally secured government teacher job in the late 80s. He faced struggles but never showed us pain the struggle. My father started a cooperative society for below poverty line BPL villages from Fort Warangal to save their money. As saving money in bank is more complex for these villages. At first, it took time for my father to believe him because usually people don't believe anyone when it comes to money. He, pers- he persisted and took it some time to prove to everyone that he started his this just to help the poor. Finally, 50 members joined and started saving money. This way, whenever they need money, they use it to take money from cooperative society and use it to finally 50 members join in saving money. This way, this way, whenever they need money, they use it to take money from the cooperative society and use it to pay 1 rupee interest within much lesser than compared to paying interest in bank. Now, it has been 25 years of the cooperative society and lot more developments took place, which has helped many people, the people of the village. Many people got awareness about the society and started their own small groups by saving money rather money together. Many
And
people
I'll
got
take
awareness
care
about the
of that. I've joined like Sophie. I've joined as Sophie, so
uh,
I'll take care.
okay. Many people got awareness about about this society and started their own small groups by saving money together and helping each other whenever they go into the financial trouble. This way, the people lived happily without bothering and about money, and they helped healthy relationship. They developed healthy relationships. Even now, Mr. Jagan Mohan, my father, meet everyone and spend time with them as an extended family. Leadership is not about a title or designation. It is about influence and inspiration. Sri Nivedita, first year student, Chemical College of Technology 2021. Thank you. Uh, Next, I want to start. I want to read out my Top Money Talks visions, values, and driving statement, and then we can have a conversation. Okay. Visions: inculcating the rich mindset to be a billionaire, creating a sense in ourselves for not to worry about money, creating our own game to be financially independent, creating a top money course and giving to society. Missions: love to express for the insights on money that already existed within us, enthusiasm in taking conversions and discussions on money, being obsessive to looking around us and filling the gaps to create money, using hard work to learn the concepts of money, surfing the ocean of internet and exploring the top investment techniques, questioning everything before acting. Values: gratitude towards each other, respecting each other, appreciating, praising, and encouraging each other, providing value to each other, no criticizing. Uh, Driving statement: hoping there is something to learn about money and we are going to suck the nectar of it and get digest in our brain. Financial independence is the obsession that drives me, or creating a moneyless society is the obsession that drives me. Thank you so much. Uh, Today, our Kranti and and our Shravan sir going to share something on Kranti is going to share on cryptocurrency, and Shravan sir going to help us in making money in a more effectively. Going to give talk on that. Uh, upon that, we can have a comments or anything. Thank you. I am taking this over to Shravan sir. Thank you. Over to you.
Wow. Very well done, Chandan. That was very well done. The vision, mission, values, driving statement, very well written. And, again, telling about a story of your friends who are writing a book. And luckily, that story is about what? Money. So, so it worked out perfectly, right? And Nivedita, thank you for sharing the story of your father. We are glad to know of such a really nice person who cares about their fellow human beings. So we are really glad to, know him through you, through your story. So thank you.
So, sir, just to add before your
Please.
presentation, I'll take this opportunity to tell this 2 to 3 sentences, and I'll let you know.
No, go ahead.
Yeah.
Take your time.
So, first of all, thank you very much, sir, for considering our Chandan into ESL, and because Chandan, I'm happy for you. I'm very happy for you. Like, I'm taking this opportunity to wholeheartedly congratulate on your exponential improvement. 2019 Chandan is not 2021 Chandan, and he's going to be more in coming years. Thank you very much, sir, and thank you, Chandan. Like reading your messages, reading your chat for that 2 minutes. I am not concerned about my life. I am only concerned about your life at that point of time. So you took a important place in our life. So yeah, congratulations and all the best, Chandan. You're doing great job. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rohit, for your concern, and happy for to listen. Pleasure to listen. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you. Anyone else wants to say any more thoughts before we move forward? Dhanush, go ahead.
Yes, I can feel because that is the Chandan where I have seen beside me and beside Rohit, and we we are in one hostel, and we can share and we can talk. And yes, this is the Chandan, not that Chandan, because I can feel it in Rohit words, and even I I want to express the same. And there's managing like as we have experiencing because money when we manage money is the thing involved in everyone's life. So when we are going to deal with money, I think I don't want to I don't want to bother anymore, because if I read something to Chandan, or if I read something that's written by Chandan, that's enough, I guess, in the future. That's what I want to say.
Nice.
Thank you so much. That was a sweet comment from you. Yes,
Nivedita, go ahead.
Yes. Firstly, Chandanana, like I'm inspired by the way you are taking initiative in everything, and I'm really inspired by the way you are excited to learn new things. And taking up new challenges is really, I mean, the only word I'm getting is inspiring. So thank you so much for it, Anna. All the best.
Thank you, Nivi. Thank you so much.
Yes, Chandan. Money is something which is like to discuss about like it is a very big task, and you took this top money talks, and that itself shows how daring you are.
You
So
have enough guts, gumption, glory. Chandan, congratulations.
So they are planning to something to do for me.
No, honest words. These are honest words, Chandan. Congratulations again and again. All the best. We are on the same journey. Thank you for the initiative. Money is what we are mainly focused on. Big thing. And Chindan, thank you. Thank you, Chindan.
Thank you, Akka. Thank you, Rohit.
Go ahead, Tejashree.
Sir, presently, this after listening to this guy's conversation, I was thinking I just gone to future of these guys, like after 20-30 years, how these guys will be like in ruling this India or like that. the the friendship, if they could say from the I'm we are the friends from the beginning of our journey. Looks, I'm just imagining this. Wow, what a great conversation.
Yes. Yes. Very well said,
Thank you,
Tejashree.
Akka.
Go ahead, Chandan, you want to say something?
No, thank you so much. I said that's
Okay.
Yes, sir. So after 10 years down the line, anyhow, company will be getting initiated. So at that time, I tell Chandan is my friend, and so we are all friends. We are all from the same community.
I am a top official.
We are
I can mute you. Can you mute?
Want to say the same.
So, usually it is like you need, if you have one person who is, you can say, inspiring or passionate or obsessed about a certain particular goal, that one person can inspire, I don't know, probably 100 or even 1,000, right? But in our group, do you know that there are more than one? Start watching. You will notice that there are many of them who are obsessed about being the best they could be, how they want to help other people, how they want to learn. They have that learning mindset, they have the gratitude mindset, and they are obsessed about it. So this is even this part is very uncommon. It does not happen this way, that you will find that many people who are obsessed about being the best they could be in one small group. So congratulations to all of you for creating something. Maybe this is another thing which we probably will get into the Guinness Book of World Records. A few years from now, with all the accomplishments all of you are going to have, that itself is going to might put as a group into the Guinness Book of World Records. So very well done. And money is a very hard topic to talk about. And luckily, with the excitement of Chandan and everyone else, we are actually excited to talk about it. It is one of the most difficult subjects and bland subjects to talk about. But here, there is already I'm feeling the energy of it. We haven't even started talking, and already there is so much of energy in this group right now. So what we'll do is I'll ask Kranti to start off because he just told me a very interesting story about Bitcoins and everything that has happened that has happened in his life. So Kranti, go ahead, you talk and we'll go from there.
Hello everyone. Actually, I'm not going to say about the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. I'm just sharing my experience which has happened in my life. Actually, when I went through the Google yesterday, or maybe that on Tuesday, I had seen a token which is made by an unknown person, which is SHIB Bitcoin. That is under the Ethereum. SHIBcoin. The value of the SHIBcoin is 0.000575. But by that, with the only 5 rupees, we can buy nearly 10,000 coins from that. So if the value of that Bitcoin, that SHIB Bitcoin increases, if it increases to one rupee, I'm not expecting more. Now it is 0.00575. I'm expecting that to 1 rupee. Means we can get nearly 10,000 rupees. I just expended 5 rupees at that time, but I am getting the 10,000, 9,995. I'm getting profit, I thought. But when I discussed it with the Chandanana and Shravan sir said that immediately, Kranti, actually the crypto is illegal. we should not expect like that. And sir immediately made a call to me and said what the society is going, what the situations are going in the society, how the people are influencing us, and how all the people are cheating us. And said, it really first I thought just with 5 rupees I can get the 10,000 coins. Later you may think that if you keep the 10 rupees you can get 20,000. If you keep 100 rupees, like that your greediness may increase in that. So you are thinking just 5 rupees, but it may take up to you to 1 lakh. So better to stop that, better to stop that situation, sir said. Actually I want to share this idea with the this to make 30 at the age of 30 we are going to make 100 crores, we thought. So it may help us with, I thought, but sir said it is illegal, and by that our greediness may increase. um, so I stepped back and I thought for some time. What the sir said is absolutely correct, and it nearly 1 month back, someone else had came to our street and collected the 20 to 30 age people group, and he spoke with them about the ESPN, and he said about the ESPN to them. And the actually he collected 12,000 from each person. Nearly he collected from the 10% or 20%, means to expend in the ESPN. And now he's saying that ESPN is advanced to the Oracle, and you should pay some more money also. Like that, he is influencing, but they are getting the money. But now they are getting the money. In future they may get or not, we don't know. And he said that you are keeping the 12,000, but you are going to get the 50,000 nearly. He influenced so many members. Now in our street, so many members are spent on that, and my friend spent nearly 2 lakhs on that. Maybe he get or won't get, I don't know. So many members are influencing around us, so don't influence. What the sir said to us, I am saying to all of you. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Kranti. So you saw what is happening, right? So some people gave 12,000 rupees, some people gave more, and all of these. So this money. So what do you think about it? Anyone thoughts about? Let's say someone said, "Hey, I'll put 10 rupees into it," and say, it's only 10 rupees. 10 rupees is not going to do anything to you, right? So why not put 10 rupees into Bitcoins or some other thing? Anyone? I mean, let's not worry about Bitcoin. Your neighbor will come and say, "Oh, I have a great investment idea. It's only 10 rupees. And if you do it well, it might go to 5,000 rupees." And you're like, "Yeah, it's 10 rupees. Let me just give it." So is that a good idea or not?
Maybe now today they might ask for 10 rupees, but later they may increase or తర్వాత ఏమైతే తెలియదు కదా సార్. ఫస్ట్ అయితే we don't have any idea whether to put it like invest in, like give money or not. And if we give, maybe in the initial days the money may increase or something may happen, but later it will go to vain, sir, according to me.
Okay. Any other people who want to express their ideas on, if someone comes next door, friends, they'll say, "Hey, it's only 10 rupees. Why don't you invest 10 rupees with me?"
It's better to
Sometimes, okay, sorry.
no sir, first it's better, it's just 10 rupees, right? So it's better to have a trial, so it's experience, right? How we can next we can't do, it's first experience, right? It is going to work or not. Then next onwards, if the same situation happens, we can clearly see the situation, how it is going to benefit for me.
Vinay?
Trying is never a bad thing as far as I concerned, but so most of the times it will become a vicious cycle if we get into the traps of investment. And as Kranti clearly brought out, we might look for more. Like if we get 5,000, we might not stop at 5,000, I guess. So yes, I'll invest these, I'll get more. I'll invest this, I'll get more. That won't help, as far as I know.
Is that even investment?
Never.
I
Or is it
don't
like
even understand that concept, sir. How will I get? I mean, how will I get 12,000 if I invest 10 rupees? I just don't get that concept. I mean,
right? Exactly. So that is the question. You know, first of all, I'm telling you, I fell for this trap. Because they'll come and tell you, oh, it's only 10 rupees or $10. Oh, it's only $10. You do it. And soon you are like, they'll give you examples of how the one person made $1 million. And you're like, maybe I can make those $1 million. And you get into it and you get sucked into this. And I got sucked into it too. Because I didn't understand what money was. I had no understanding of money. I just, you know, because of the way I was brought up, I was thinking, oh, I need to have money. Okay. And so how does money, you know, if I put 10 rupees, why would someone want to give me 5,000 or 10,000 or 12,000? I should ask that question. I should sit down with them and say, oh, okay, great. I want to hear about you. I want to hear this whole plan. Tell me more about this. And you should go back 10 times and ask more information, because you know this is a new idea for you, right? And most of the time, no one will talk to you for 10 times. They're like, array, this guy is not going to give the monies. They'll walk away from you as soon as you ask 2 questions, 3 questions, they'll walk away from you. So it is the if you give 10 rupees and you made 10,000 rupees, let's say you did, how is that going to change your life? Are you going to go and tell everyone I made 10,000 rupees now? Okay, you say you did. You went ahead and said, oh, I made 10,000 rupees. So what is that going to do to you? Everyone is going to say, hey, give me party, right? And
akkada 10,000 అయిపోతుంది.
Now, so say you gave, so what is going to happen now? Because now you created now you said, oh my God, I got 10,000, I got 10,000, I got 10,000, everyone, right? Now you created what do you call this word? I keep forgetting nowadays. You created this, now you are comparing you with yourself. Now you think, oh, I made 10,000. Now I have to show to the world that I can make 20,000. So now you're like thinking, I better go and invest more, or, figure out how to get 20,000. So now but you really don't know how you made 10,000, right? That 10 rupees suddenly became 10,000. You don't know how it became 10,000. And when you go back and you try to invest, that guy will say, no, you can't get 10 rupees to 10,000. Now it's 100 rupees to 10,000. And he's like, oh, okay, 100 rupees. Let me see. And then, so you just get into that. But really, did you learn anything about money? Did you learn anything about investments? Did you learn anything about human nature? Did you learn anything about, maybe you did learn about human nature. Did you learn anything about collaboration with the society around you to make your goals come true? Nothing. We didn't learn anything out of that. We just are greedy. We just want to make money. That's it. And so this is something I think a lot of people fall trapped to. Even at 50s and 60s, I've seen people fall into this trap. Go ahead, Ritwija.
Yes, sir. Like I will share a story. Like before you tell the solution for that, like before you make up our mind, I will tell this story. Like one of my friends, you have we have seen many things, right, in this lockdown. Some people went into కొందరు పేదవాళ్ళు అయిపోయినారు, కొందరు రిచ్ అయిపోయినారు, కొందరు మంచిగా అయినారు. Like it affected in different ways. And
one of the things like under winter IPL betting all right. So one of my friends invested in betting. Like he started with thousands to thousands. Before that, like, he used to do that every year. During that time, he was with friends, right? He was with family. He was with people. And due to this lockdown, he was the only person. Like he didn't have much discussions. He didn't expose to the people, or he didn't have anything to share or something like that. He invested like 1,000, 2,000. It went on, and like it went on to a greater extent. I think like at this age we cannot. I think a normal person cannot imagine that number. And and his parents are teachers. And see how that will be like, how a whole situation will turn into. And it was like hold your hats. I'll tell you the number to what extent he was fallen into debt. It is around 20 lakhs. It's around 20 lakhs, and he's a person of our age. See how people will think, how it will change your mindset, how a normal human nature will be affected due to others' influence. That's how it is, you know. And glad that he realized that, like, నేను తప్పు చేస్తున్నానని రియలైజ్ అయ్యే టైంకి he was there with that number, and he decided to like put a full stop for himself, because he cannot face the world, right? Like at least he cannot face his parents with that, because at this age they are thinking like oka ఎదిగిన కొడుకు జాబ్ చేసి పైసలు ఇచ్చే టైం అది. he cannot put a నువ్వు ఇప్పటివరకు సంపాదించిందంతా నాకు ఇచ్చేయి అనే సిచ్యువేషన్ వరకు వచ్చినట్టే కదా అది. And he has his sister which is 1 year elder to him, and she had so many plans to go to UK for higher studies. So their parents had money for that sake. Like వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ ఆ మనీ అందుకు అంటే they saved money for her sister to study in abroad. And before he putting a full stop, ధైర్యాన్ని కూడబెట్టుకోవడం అంటారు కదా. సో he put that, and he informed in front of their parents like I did this. And like after almost all the lockdown was not end, it was around December, I guess. Like March లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది కదా మనకి. సో December అంటే situations will make us like that. We'll fall into so many traps. It's very, very important to make ourselves aware and to be with people, to be with good people. Like ఒకవేళ తన ఫ్రెండ్స్ తో అది అసలు ఎవరికి చెప్పలేదంట. He was not discussed with anyone, none of their friends. And because ante he made this attempt before also, right? Ante ilanti bettings he also did before, but he was with people. And there was a discussion, there might be a discussion, friends ekkadana oka point దగ్గర ఆగమనొచ్చు, but here there is no thing, right? అంటే అక్కడ ఆపిన వాళ్ళు లేరు. he was not discussing. like I want to stress అంటే interactions make miracles happen దానికి ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అనుకోవచ్చు. ఇంకా like how we fall into traps అనే దానికి అనుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ దాని తర్వాత somehow like ఇంకా ఏం చేస్తారు పేరెంట్స్, మరి కొట్టి తిట్టి ఆల్రెడీ ఒక ఫుల్ స్టాప్ అంటే పేరెంట్స్ సిచ్యువేషన్ కూడా ఎలా ఇప్పుడు ఏమన్నా అంటే నా కొడుకు ఏమైనా చేసేసుకుంటాడేమో అనే థింగ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది కదా, బికాస్ దే ఆల్సో నో దట్ హౌ హ్యూమన్ నేచర్ విల్ థింక్ అని. సో ఏమి ఇంకా అని అన్నట్టు అని హీ లైక్ సమ్హౌ ఇంకా ఆ అప్పులన్నీ కట్టి ఇంకా కొంచెం ఉంది వాళ్ళకి ఇంకా. కానీ సి his sister has to put a full stop to completely for her dreams, right? అంటే ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి ఏం లేకుండా. అండ్ ఒకనొక సిచ్యువేషన్ లో వస్తే అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా కొంచెం నార్మలైజ్ అయిపోయిందంటే సిచ్యువేషన్, బట్ స్టిల్ ఎలా అంటే ఇట్స్ ఎ హోల్ డ్రామాటిక్ స్టోరీ. అంటే ఆ 20 lakhs ఇచ్చిన వాళ్ళైనా ఎందుకు ఊకుంటారు కదా, అన్ని ఇవ్వకున్నా వీళ్ళు మొత్తం రీపే అయితే వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ కూడా చేయలేరు. అంత మనీ వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ దగ్గర కూడా లేదు, అంటే అంత అప్పటికప్పుడు ఇచ్చేయడానికి. అండ్ అంత అంత ఈజీగా ఇచ్చేసారు కదా ఎవరు కానీ అలా చేసిన. సో అండ్ ఇంకా తర్వాత సిచ్యువేషన్స్ కూడా ఎలా అయినాయి అంటే, ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్సే కదా ఇచ్చేది. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇవ్వాలంటే ఎవరి వి వోంట్ గో టు అ బిగ్ పర్సన్ అండ్ ఆస్క్ లైక్ దట్, రైట్? సో ఇంకా మధ్యలో కూడా దే వర్ టార్చరింగ్ అనమాట, like give the all money, and he was totally disturbed, totally, and he's out of connection right now with all asal friends, everరికి ఇట్లా he switched off his mobile and all, like he almost paid like ఒక 70-80% వరకు పే చేశాడు అనుకుంటా, ఇంకా తర్వాత కూడా చేస్తారేమో అని. బట్ స్టిల్ he cannot face his friends right now, he cannot face his relatives, he cannot face his parents లైక్ బిఫోర్. ఇంకా వాళ్ళ అక్క ఏమన్నా అంటే నీ వల్లనే మొత్తం అయిపోయిందిరా నాదంతా అని అంటే ఇంక ఏమన్నా ఉన్నా అనే ఉంటది ఎన్నిసార్లు, లైక్ సో దాట్స్ హౌ వి ఫాల్ అనమాట.
Nice. Well said, Litvija. Well said. Kranti, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. I want to answer to the Vivikta's question. Vivikta asked that how the 5 rupees going to become 10,000. It doesn't take in a day or in a year or in a, we can't say. Immediately it may happen or it may take 10,000 years to years. ఎలా అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇది ఎన్ఎఫ్టీలో చేసినప్పుడు నేర్చుకున్నాను. యూజువలీ ఇన్ అవర్ ఇండియా వీ విల్ స్పెండ్ అవర్ మనీ ఆన్ ద gold or any other else products like to buy, but in other countries they will spend money on the digitals like NFT or any coins. Firstly, the who created the token or the coin, they will release the limited number of coins or limited number of tokens, like a 1,000 coins or like a 10,000 coins, 20,000 coins. Usually we are going to buy them. As the coins completed, the value of the coin increases. Some other want to take the coin, he want to give 1 rupee. We just started with a 0 and we thought we are getting 1 rupee now, we can sell to him, and he buy that, and some other else want to buy that for the 5 rupees, and the man who bought for the 1 rupee, he want to sell that for 5 rupees. Just like that, the value of the coin is going to be increases. Literally the Bitcoin value in 2009, it is started to the $0. Now it is 32 lakhs in 27 lakhs in our India, and it is going to be 75 lakhs in the future upcoming 10 years, because this all because of the limited number of coins. As the limited number of coins, so everyone as the competition or the value of that coin increases, అంటే చాలా మంది కొనుక్కోవడం వల్ల దాని వాల్యూ అనేది పెరుగుతుందని చెప్పొచ్చు. అంటే ఇది సింగిల్ డేలో అయినా జరగచ్చు, ఇయర్లో అయినా జరగచ్చు, లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్స్ అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే నేను 5 రూపీస్ని 10,000 రూపీస్, 9,995 రూపీస్ మనకు వస్తున్నాయి అనేది విత్ ఇన్ డేలో జరగకపోవచ్చు, అది సో మెనీ ఇయర్స్ పట్టచ్చు. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ లక్కీ వీ కెన్ గెట్ వెరీ క్విక్లీ. దట్స్ ఇట్, సార్.
What is this meeting that is everyone is leaving for? Is it a common meeting or different meetings?
No,
Mentor
sir.
call.
Apurva has a mentor call.
Okay.
I think even Rohit Anna has mentor call.
Yes.
Okay.
Sirisha might have Kingsman.
Okay. We might want to find a different time than Rohit, Chandan. Maybe we'll make it like 8 o'clock instead of 7. See that from next week. Talk to Apurva, Rohit, and all of them and see if 8 o'clock is better for them. Because usually these calls only are half an hour kada. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yeah. So Kranti, that's very well said. Yeah. So this but the main thing which suppose say you did make money, let's say, then what is the question you need to ask yourself before you invest? So Tejashree, you want to say something? Go ahead.
Yes, sir. I will answer the question which you asked now. later.
Okay.
But whatever I want to say is, whatever Lidija said till now, the same story happened in here. My father's friend, his son has done the same thing like betting, but the number is huge and the effect is ultimate, like very huge. You know, um, without saying his father, he took 50 lakhs around, and it is more than 50 lakhs. And they were like very good family till that time. They are financially independent too. And but what happened is his betting mind has taken all that money, and he didn't say to his father that doing so and so. So later on, after knowing his father, and he came to know that he did this much, how could I bear this? Unfortunately, with his unhappiness, without కొడుకుని ఏం అనలేము, so he doesn't say any word to his son, and the money he can't pay right now. So is so sensitive, and he hanged himself in the same home. So the same story, but it's the till now the situation is the same. He lost his father. Now he can't do anything, right? So that is how we addicted to something if you start with like this greediness or this. So yes, we are knowing and learning, understand the situations beside you, and learn too.
Right. Very well said, Tejas. See, this is the advantage of a platform where we can talk, where we can respectfully listen to each other. This is not about judging someone or putting down someone. It is about learning, and it is about our goals. What do we want to create in this world? So these kind of conversations will help us to avoid the problems that you might come across, avoid the pitfalls, avoid. So Adi, go ahead, Lidvija.
Yes, sir. Like I want to answer the question that you have asked. Like, what happens if we did get money? Right? Like,
Go
అంటే
ahead.
ఎంత ఎదిగినా ఒదిగే ఉంటారు అంటారు కదా, లైక్ దట్ ఒదిగి ఉండడం ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది అంటే వెన్ యూ రియలీ వర్క్ హార్డ్, లైక్ వెన్ యూ పుట్ యువర్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ ఇన్ టు ఇట్, అండ్ దిస్ మనీ you are getting without moving your little hand, left, like little finger. So that will definitely put some stone or నీ ఏమంటారు, నీ తలలో ఒక పెద్ద ఒక ఏమంటారు దాన్ని, ఏదో అంటే లైక్ పొగరు వచ్చేస్తుంది. దట్ వోంట్ క్రియేట్ ఎనీథింగ్, దట్ విల్ గివ్ యూ ఈగో ఆర్ దట్ వోంట్ హెల్ప్ యూ. అంటే మనం గ్రీడీనెస్ ఆల్ దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ విల్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఇన్ అవర్ మైండ్. దట్స్ ఆల్. లైక్ మనకి అలాంటి మనీ వస్తాయి. పుణ్యానికి వచ్చింది ఎప్పుడు మనకి ఏది అట్లా అంటే అంత మనల్ని ఏమి ఎఫెక్ట్ చేయదు మంచిగా, ఎప్పుడు రాంగ్ డైరెక్షన్ లోనే పెడుతుంది.
Right. Well said. Well said, Lidvija. Give me 5 minutes. I'll be back. అప్పటి వరకు మాట్లాడుకుంటుండండి. Okay?
Yeah, sure, sir.
This is like classroom లో సార్ వదిలే క్లాస్ లీవ్ చేస్తే విల్ చాట్ నో, లెట్స్ చాట్ నో. How
Yes,
does
Akka.
he do? I was the one you said about.
అర్థం కాలేదు.
ఆహా, ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఎలా ఉన్నారు అని. ఇక్కడైతే నేను చెప్పిన వాళ్ళైతే
అదా, లైక్ దే ఆర్ గుడ్. అంటే వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ దగ్గర హ్యాడ్ గుడ్ మనీ, అండ్ దేర్ పేరెంట్స్ రేస్డ్ ఎ వెరీ గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్ టు ద వన్ హూ గేవ్ మనీ టు హిమ్. నా కొడుకు ఇంత పెద్దగా లేడు, నాకు ఇప్పుడు మనీ ఇచ్చినావు అంటే నువ్వే కదా ఇప్పుడు పోలీస్ కేసు వేస్తే, if he didn't turn into 21 and you cannot give so much money to him without taking a legal notice or asking permission from their parents, anything. అంటే ఇంత చిన్నోడికి నువ్వు మనీ ఇవ్వడానికి అసలు నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు అని క్వశ్చన్ వేసారనమాట ఆ ఇచ్చిన వాళ్ళని. సో ఆ 20 lakhs ని మొత్తం వాళ్ళ నాన్న వాళ్ళు ఒక 9 lakhs వరకు సెట్ చేసేసారు. అంటే మేము అంతే ఇస్తాం, మీరు ఏమని చేసుకోండి, ఒకవేళ పోలీస్ కేసు వేస్తే మా కొడుకుని కూడా జైల్లో పెట్టేస్తాం, కానీ నువ్వు కూడా పోతావు వాడితో పాటు, అది గుర్తు పెట్టుకో అని చెప్పారు అనమాట వాళ్ళకి. అంటే దే కేమ్ త్రూ దాట్. అండ్ సో అది 9 lakhs వరకు అయింది. సో ఐ థింక్ దే హావ్ పేడ్ అరౌండ్ 7.5 lakhs, 2.5 like ఇంకా 1.5 lakh ఏమో పే చేయాలి. అండ్ అండ్ థింగ్ ఈస్ దే పుట్ అన్ అగ్రిమెంట్. యాక్చువల్లీ నా కొడుకు బీటెక్ 4th year అయిపోయి నా కొడుకు మంచిగా ఉంటే అప్పుడు నేను మీకు ఈ రిటర్న్ మిగతా మనీ ఇస్తా, లేకపోతే ఇవ్వను అని దే పుట్ ఏ బాండ్ పేపర్. అండ్ దే ఆల్ హ్యావ్ సైన్డ్ ఆన్ ఇట్. బట్ స్టిల్ దే tortured this guy when he like మొన్న మళ్ళీ కాలేజ్కి వెళ్ళాం కదా మధ్యలో అందరం. సో ఆ టైంలో దే ఆల్ ఫోర్స్డ్ హిమ్, నాకు మనీ అవసరం ఉంది. వాడికి అసలు ఎంత అంటే ఐ జస్ట్ అండర్స్టూడ్ ద మైండ్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్. అంటే ఇచ్చిన ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా, ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇచ్చారు కదా, వాళ్ళు వేరే దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళారు. దే వెంట్ ఆన్ ఏ టూర్, 2 of his friends who gave money. అండ్ ఆ టూర్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు రిటర్న్ టూర్కి వెళ్ళేటోడు ఎనఫ్ మనీ తీసుకొని వెళ్ళాలి కదా రిటర్న్ వచ్చేయడానికి కూడా. బట్ రిటర్న్ రావడానికి వీడికి కాలేజ్ మనీ అడగడం, హౌ నాన్ సెన్స్ ఇస్ దిస్? అరే నేను టూర్ నుంచి రిటర్న్ అవ్వాలి, నా దగ్గర మనీ లేవు, మనీ ఇవ్వండి అంటే that's how it makes, you know. And they're all very very good friends before that, and that's how money changes everyone's mind. Money పిక్చర్ లోకి వచ్చిందంటే కంప్లీట్ గా మన మైండ్ సెట్ అని మారిపోతుంది. we should rule money should not rule us. That is what I have learned from ESL. I can say that వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్లీ. అంటే ఎలాంటి లైక్ మొన్న మా ఇంటికి కూడా చాలా మంది వచ్చి ఇట్లా మా మమ్మీ వాళ్ళని అక్కడ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయి, ఇక్కడ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయి, నెట్వర్క్ మార్కెటింగ్ అవుతుంది కదా. అండ్ ఒకరు వచ్చి ఇట్లా కొన్ని లైక్ 4,000 ఏమో ఇయ్యమన్నారు. చాలా రోజుల నుంచి వస్తున్నాను అనమాట. ఇస్తే మీకు హెల్త్ కార్డ్ వస్తుంది, మీరు హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్ళినా అన్ని ఫ్రీ అయిపోతాయి, తర్వాత ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లోన్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మా మమ్మీ వాళ్ళకి ఇట్లా ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లోన్ వస్తుంది అనుకో, అరే నా పిల్లలు చదువుకుంటారు, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లోన్ వస్తే మంచిదే కదా అంటే దే అండర్స్టాండ్ పీపుల్. సో అండ్ ఐ షుడ్ అప్రిషియేట్ దిస్. నెట్వర్క్ మార్కెటింగ్ పీపుల్ దగ్గర ఉన్న మాటలు ఏ మాటకారి దగ్గర ఉండవు.
హాస్టల్లో ఈబీస్ గురించి
కూడా వచ్చిందా? అవును అవును గుర్తుంది.
అసలు ఏమైనా మాట్లాడతారా అసలు?
దట్స్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ దట్. అండ్ లక్కీలీ మా డాడీ అయితే ఇన్వెస్ట్ కూడా చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాడు ఆ 4,000. ఐ వాస్ లైక్ చల్లనాడు 4,000 ఏం లేదు అంత అట్లా మస్తు చూసిన నేను అవి వదిలేసాను. I love this, you know.
So yeah, very well said, Vijay. That was a that happens a lot actually. ఇది మాకు కూడా చాలా అయినాయి కదా. ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు వచ్చి ఇక్కడ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయమంటారు, అక్కడ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయమంటారు. అయితే మాకు కూడా ఏం తెలుసు, ఎవరు చెప్పలే కదా మాకు మనీ గురించి, ఎవరు నేర్పించలేదు. మేము కూడా అరే పోయి ఎప్పుడు చూడు ఒకటే నేర్పించారు, డబ్బులు సంపాదించుకోవాలని చెప్పారు తప్ప ఎలా సంపాదించుకోవాలి, అసలుకి డబ్బుల వల్ల ఏంటి అన్నది నో వన్ టాట్. సో వీ వర్ ఆల్సో థింకింగ్ అరే ఇట్లా పోయి సంపాదించుకోవాలి, అట్లా పోయి సంపాదించుకోవాలని చెప్పి వీళ్ళు వచ్చి చెప్తారు, వాళ్ళు వచ్చి చెప్తారు, పోయి ఇవన్నీ వినేవాళ్ళం అన్ని. లక్కీలీ మా దేవుడు మమ్మల్ని చూసుకున్నాడు ఏమో కానీ మేము పడలేదు దాని లోపల. మాకు ఎప్పుడు చూడు ఏదో ఒక పని వచ్చేది, ఆ పని మీదకి వెళ్ళిపోయే వరకల్లా ఆ ఐడియా ప్లాన్ ఉంటుంది చూడు, ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు చెప్పేవాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు చూడు, అది పక్కకు పెట్టేసేవాళ్ళం. అరే ఈ ల్యాండ్ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయండి, ఈ ల్యాండ్ వాల్యూ చాలా పెరిగిపోతుంది అని అంటారు. అంటే అరే అవునే కదా, ఎప్పుడో ఒకటి 20 years తర్వాత ఇన్వెస్ట్ అయినా కూడా పిల్లలకి మంచిగా ఉంటది అని అనుకుంటాం కదా, అనుకొని ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటాం. మళ్ళీ ఏదో అయిపోతుంది మాకు. యూజువల్ గా ఎప్పుడు చూడు మేము బిజీగా ఉంటాము. మాకు మెయిన్గా ఏంటంటే ఒకటి చేసేవాళ్ళం, మేము ఇప్పటికీ చేస్తాం. ఏంటంటే పిల్లల్ని మంచిగా చూసుకోవాలి, పిల్లలకి మంచిగా చదువు చెప్పాలి, పిల్లలకి కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ రావాలి, పిల్లలకి అర్థమయ్యేట్లు చేయాలి. సో ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ లో మేము ఎక్కువ ఉంటాం. అయితే సరే అని చెప్పేసి దాంట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయే వరకల్లా ఇది కొనమని అంటారు చూడు ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు, అది కంప్లీట్ గా మర్చిపోతాం మేము. వాళ్ళు కాల్ చేసినప్పుడు అరే అవును కదా చేసినావు కదా, సారీ కెన్ వి టాక్ లేటర్ అని అంటాం. వీఆర్ బిజీ రైట్ నౌ. అలా బిజీ అయిపోయి మేము మర్చిపోతాం అన్నమాట దాని గురించి. తర్వాత సడన్ గా ఎప్పుడో ఒక రోజు గుర్తొచ్చి పోయి అప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఇక ఆ ఎమోషన్లో లేం కదా, పోయి రీసెర్చ్ చేస్తాం. ఆర్ ఎవరైనా ఫ్రెండ్తో మాట్లాడతాం, కాల్ చేశారు, ఏంటి ఇగో ఇట్లా వీళ్ళు వచ్చి అడిగారు, కొందాం అనుకున్నాము కానీ చేయలేదు ఇది అని అంటే, అరే మంచి పని చేసింది రా, అది కొనకపోవడం మంచిది ఇది అది అని చెప్తారు. ఆ నిమిషంలో ఏంటంటే యూ గెట్ అట్రాక్టెడ్ టు ఇట్. సో అదే ఇప్పటివరకు అయితే మా పిల్లల్ని చాలా మంది, ఇప్పటికీ మా పిల్లల్ని ఇద్దరిని అడుగుతూనే ఉంటారు కదా, మా పిల్లలు ఇద్దరు ఇప్పటివరకు పడలేదు. ఎందుకురా పడలేదు అంటే, డాడీ దే నెవర్ గివ్ us complete information on what they are trying to invest on. They'll say, "Hurry, invest here, it will become like this," and antaru, but I don't understand how that is going to happen. So that's why I don't invest. So I was like thinking, God, at least konchemana nerchukunnaru ma daggara nunchi anukunnanu nenu. So this is, these are this is how you learn about what is happening around you. Okay, so good. ఇప్పుడు మీకు అందరికి మనీ రాబోతుంది ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే వినయ్, గో హెడ్.
సార్ ఇలా మాట్లాడుతుంటే నాకు ఒకటి గుర్తొచ్చింది. మీరు ఒకసారి కాల్లో మేబీ ఇంత ఆర్డీర్ అనుకుంటా, లైక్ ఇప్పటికిప్పుడు నీ అకౌంట్ లో 100 crores వచ్చేసాయి అనుకో, ఏం చేస్తావు అని. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ వేసుకుంటే ఆ థింకింగ్ రాదు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. అంటే ఎన్ని క్రోర్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా లైక్ యువర్ పర్సనాలిటీ మ్యాటర్స్, హౌ యూ బీ విత్ అదర్స్ మ్యాటర్స్, వాట్ యూ డూ మ్యాటర్స్. లైక్ అంటే మనీ కోసం వస్తారు కానీ దట్స్ నాట్ వర్త్ ఇట్ నిజంగా. అంటే నేనేమో ఆలోచిస్తున్నాను ఎందుకు ఇలా అడిగారు సార్ అని. ఇంకా అదే ఏం చేస్తావని, లేస్తావరా నిద్రలోంచి లేస్తావా అని అడిగారు. తర్వాత బ్రష్ చేస్తావని అడిగారు, చేస్తారన్న. తర్వాత ఏమైనా పనులు మారుతాయంటే ఏం మారవని చెప్తా. సో అంతే, ఉన్నవని అనుకో, ఏమవుతుంది అన్నారు.
Exactly. That's something which we talked with our children also. It's like we think ఏదో కొంచెం మారుతుంది కానీ ఎక్కువ మారదు. And if we have a lot of money, okay? How much is our life changing? Not much at all. Yes, we have nicer home, we have nice things. That's it. అది కొనుక్కోవడానికి మరీ ఎక్కువేం పట్టదు. దాని తర్వాత నీకు ఎంత ఉన్నా కూడా, ఇప్పుడు వారెన్ బఫెట్ హ్యాస్, I don't know, $100 billion, I don't know, something, right? He's still living in the same house which he bought 50 years ago. He doesn't do anything. He still goes to the same office. I think he bought a new car only 10 years ago or 15 years ago. He was using the same car for 30 years, even though he was a multi-billionaire by then. He was still using the same car. He still eats the same food. He says, I still watch this, I go home, I watch some TV, I sleep. I read a book and I sleep. So that's his life. He says, the only thing I do is once in a while when I go to a different state to meet a client, I go in my own plane. Apart from that, I don't do it. I only do it so many times a year. So that's it. That you and I also can do. It's not that hard actually. Nowadays, you can buy your own packages for going in NetJets and Jepakutundi, where you can go alone by yourself or with your family, and you can buy a package for that armada. So it's not that expensive to buy that package. So you can do that. So even those things can be done now. At one time you couldn't do that. Are nee plane lo new plane ante nee plane kavali appudu. You have to buy your own plane. But nowadays you don't have to buy your own plane. You can just have a package plan anamata. Dan kuda undi. So yeah, so that is a very good thing, Vinay, what he reminded you. All of you think about it. If you have 100 crores in your bank today, how would your life change tomorrow? What are the things you would buy? Raskondi. Actually, that is an exam. That is a homework for all of you. You don't have to share it with anyone. This is only for yourself. If you have 100 crores, what would you do? First thing is write down all the things you are going to buy. Okay. Then once you have all those things, now, yeah, let us only end there. Just write down all the things you are going to buy. Okay. So this way so that will be good. Go ahead, Vivek. You wanted to say something.
ఇది కూడా అడిగారు నన్ను ఒకసారి సార్. వినయ్, నీకు అన్నీ అంటే లైక్ ఏం చేస్తావు, సపోజ్ 1 crore ఉందంటే ఏం చేస్తావు అని అడిగారు. అండ్ ఇట్లా అది ఇట్లా బయటకి ఇచ్చేస్తారు, సొసైటీకి ఇచ్చేస్తారు అట్లా ఇట్లా అని చెప్పా. సో ఏమి ఇస్తావు క్లియర్ గా రాసుకొని రమ్మన్నారు అనమాట. యా, అప్పుడు ఇట్లా 20, 30 ఇట్లా డివిజన్ చేశాను అనమాట.
ఇప్పుడు go ahead, Chandra.
ఏం లేదు సార్, జస్ట్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ కాల్లో నేను ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుదాం అనుకున్నా, బట్ somehow I 100 crores ఈ 7 లో వస్తే ఏం చేస్తారు అనుకో, I forgot it. Thanks for reminding
me. No problem, Chandran. But it came at the right time. Now we are all in that journey.
Go ahead, Vivek. You raised your hand.
Sir. When you gave Warren Buffett's example, I read it somewhere that ఒక బిలియనర్ ఉండే అంటారు, నాట్ ఇప్పుడు కాదు, మేబీ ఒక 20 years back, till the time he died, rats అంటే అప్పుడు బ్యాంక్ లేవు, ఏం లేవు, మనుషులు స్టోర్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు డబ్బుల్ని, అదే వేరెవర్ ఇట్ ఇస్. అప్పుడు రాట్స్ తినేసాయంట సార్, అరౌండ్ $1 billion నోట్స్ రాట్స్ తినేసాయంట. హీ వాజ్ దాట్ రిచ్. రాట్స్ తినటానికి ఇంకా అది అట్లా అయిపోయింది. అంటే మన దగ్గర డబ్బు ఉంటే రాట్స్ తినటానికి పనికొస్తుంది మనం చచ్చిపోయిన తర్వాత.
So one thing I do want you to know, okay, I don't want you to be greedy, but that doesn't mean I don't want you to make money. Okay, I think having money gives you a lot of opens up a lot of possibilities to create your dreams, to make your dreams come true. It does give you that facility. So that is all money is for. Okay, money is not for anything else. So money gives you the option or opportunity to make your dreams come true. So always think about what is your dream and then see how you can use money to make that happen. So that's why I put in 3 categories: spending, investing, and giving. When you spend, money circulates, right? Circulation is how, if there is no circulation, none of these things will get created. You will not have planes, you will not have buildings, you will have nothing if there is no circulation of money. So circulation has to happen. Okay, so the other thing is investment is something you do because you want to prepare for a difficult times. Sometimes you will have difficult times, so you want to prepare for that. Oh, 1 second.
1 second.
Okay, in this 1 second, can anyone give me
నువ్వు చాలా బాగా చేసావు.
ఈ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కోర్స్ చూద్దామా? చెప్తాను. సారీ.
Day after tomorrow we have our story presentation, right? Any suggestions?
Hello, host.
Okay, sir, we can discuss later. Yes.
So anyway, so let us first of all, we started off, this is not a, again, this is not a solution, right? We are not like, nothing is, this is a journey again. This is like, we are just talking about different things. Okay, so I want you to write down all the things you want to buy and keep it to yourself. Don't need to share it with anyone. And then we'll slowly, while we are talking with all of talking about money, you will learn a lot about what there are two, Chandan wrote about Arthakranti gurinchi rasadu kada. There are two things he talked about: economics and finance. Do one thing. I want both of you to, all of you, to actually understand those. I want all of you to understand those two words, economics and finance. So that is, once you understand that, that will help you a lot. So just those two words, and Arthakranti did a very good job on explaining that in a very simple sentences. So even though they explained it in very simple sentences, it took me, I still don't think I completely understand it, because I don't deal with those words every day, right? So that's why I don't understand it that well. So I want you guys to start thinking about those two words. Okay. So let us end, let us end the call for today. Okay. We'll continue these conversations, and with each conversation, I think you will become more and more. One more. I want you to also do one thing. Is now you are going to get money, right? So what are you going to do with it, and why? Write it to yourself. Don't send it to anyone. Okay. We'll again discuss that. Just write down. Okay, the money you're going to get from Geeta. Okay, you're going to get it very soon. So per hour, whatever you are getting is 700 rupees. If you put in 10 hours, that's 10 times 700. So if you put in 40, that's 40 times 700. It could be more. There is chances it is slightly more than 700, but I'm giving you a ballpark figure of 700. So what are you going to do with it? So write down. We'll discuss that over time again. Okay, next week we'll try to discuss, slowly we'll discuss, but again, write down what are you going to do with it. Okay, great. Ledvicha, go ahead.
Sir, నాకు తెలియదు అంటే I asked you this question before. అంటే మీరు నాకు అప్పటికి ఆన్సర్ చేశారు, like is it applicable now also, I don't know, but I want to know, like you told about we should not invest on lands, right?
No, I didn't say that. I just said, yeah, I mean, there is a yeah, I did say that, actually. I did say that. I know why I said it. Go ahead.
Ante plots paina atla pettadam, not sure, but I always had this dream to buy land for agriculture, and right. And we are not like ante adi petti odleyatledu kada. Is it right. good or bad?
Yeah, it all depends upon your situation, Lidvija. What we are doing is we buy land and we just leave it there, and we want the money to appreciate. So basically money is not getting in circulation, right? Okay. And also I don't really see much of learning that is happening during that process. So that's why I said don't invest money there. Suppose that you want to buy land and say you want to do agriculture. Absolutely, that's a good idea. But again, do it because it is your goal. Do it because it makes you happy. Do it because it provides value to you and to others. Then it's a good idea. Don't do it because your parents did it.
Yes, sir. Actually, it makes more sense now. Ante meer appudu urke it's good అని వదిలేసారు, బట్ యూ టోల్డ్ ద రీజన్ నౌ, లైక్ ఐ కెన్, అంటే నాకు అంతవరకే గుర్తున్నప్పుడు ఇట్స్ గుడ్ ఫర్ అగ్రికల్చర్ బికాస్ మనం అట్లా వేసి వదిలేయట్లేదు కదా, అంటే ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసి వదిలేయట్లేదు కదా, వీఆర్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ ఇట్.
Yeah, you have to look at many reasons, many things you have to look at. Suppose say a airport is coming close by Anpichinanko, or a certain thing is going to happen. You understand that the this area is going to develop because suppose you are at a point, all the left side anta build అయిపోయింది, then only the right side is going to get built, right? Because there is no land on the left side, or very little land. So right side is going to be. So then you say, what, maybe I should buy land in the right side. And then you have to look at the different situations and see, finally it has to make you feel like you are a better person, you are a confident person, You are like, hey, I did something because I used my brain. I thought through the process and did it. Then I think it is a great idea. Anything when you do it that way, it is a great idea. So
Yes, sir.
even buying land is a great idea if you used your brain to make it, do that, because you used it. You said, instead of like hoping, guessing, being greedy, thinking that someone else is like, "Arey, what cheppindu కాబట్టి నేను చేస్తాను," then it's not right, worth it.
Exactly, Anna.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
And I'm telling you, I made a lot of mistakes because I didn't use my brain. I was greedy. I was like, అరే వేరే వాడు చెప్తున్నాడు, ఇక్కడ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయమని అంటున్నాడు, సో చేసేద్దాం. అది ఎప్పుడు చేయకూడదు. Money is again, even 5 rupees or 50 rupees, think about it before you invest. ఇది శివంది చెప్పాను చూడు, ఇది మన డాక్టర్ మహేందర్ది. అయితే నేను నా ఫ్రెండ్తో మాట్లాడుతుంటే, అరే మా ఇక్కడ హ్యూస్టన్లో ఉంటాడు ఆయన అన్నాడు, ఆల్రెడీ ఆ పర్టికులర్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ అంటే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉందంట. So he said it's already installed in his whole city. So he told ఇది ఆయనకంటే ఒక చిన్న లీక్ ఉండేనంట. So the water department called him and said, hey, there is a leak in your house అని చెప్పిందంట. And so actually they came to his house. They not only called him, they said, hey, we'll come to your house because there is a leak in your house, and they showed him how to find that leak. So now that particular thing which I thought it wasn't there, right? It's already there. So now do you think that product can be, has scope in US? Maybe not, unless until they decrease the price to such a low level that maybe it can. We don't know the price there, and if there is a price here, but definitely it's not a new product anymore. సో ఇట్లాంటి అన్ని ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అంతా చూసుకోవాలన్నమాట. చూసుకుంటే ఈవెన్ దో డాక్టర్ మహేందర్ ఈస్ అ గుడ్ గాయ్, డజంట్ మీన్ దట్ కంపెనీ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ వెల్. సో ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఇన్వెస్ట్ 5,000, that 5,000 is gone. Just because he's a nice guy doesn't mean that. You go in, check, do all the research, everything, and then say, okay, there is a high chance that I'm going to make money here. Then only put that 5,000. ఇప్పుడు అనిపిస్తుందా ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ చేయొద్దని? Chalo guys, okay? Let's talk later.
Thank you, sir.
Anything, Chandan, you want to do some final thoughts?
No sir, how it went 1 hour 7 minutes, I only don't know. అసలు ఒక్క నిమిషం కూడా అయినట్టు ఏమనిపించలేదు. It just went on. Thank you all for expressing greatly. It's a great pleasure to hear in the call. Okay, finally, thank you so much for being in the call from Top Money Talks.